Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing clips inside Premiere. Import both the camera file and your recorder audio, then drop the main camera clip to V1. Once done, place the separate audio from the recorder on A1 or A2 so both are visible. Make sure the sequence settings match the primary footage frame rate and resolution to avoid relinking issues. You want clear visual alignment points, clapper, slate, or a loud transient, so you can sync precisely in the next step. Next, select the camera clip and its matching recorder track together in the timeline or project panel. Right-click and choose Synchronize, pick Audio as the sync method, and let Premiere analyze waveform transients. Once it completes, inspect by soloing either track and scrubbing through the clap or loud transient. You should see waveforms align visually. If they match, ripple delete duplicate camera audio to keep only the high-quality recorder track, and make sure to lock the linked pair so they move together during edits. Finally, select the now synced camera and recorder clip and choose link so they behave as one unit during editing. This preserves edit moves and trims. If Premiere failed to auto-sync or you notice drift, mark a clear transient on both clips and nudge audio manually, or use timecode-based sync if available. Make sure to render the section to verify playback. Troubleshooting tip. If sync appears off, check sample rates and frame rates. Mismatched sample or dropped frames often cause perceived audio-video drift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.